Hey everybody, how's it going? So I have the lapel mic, the Sony ECMCS3. Say that twice. ECMCS3. It is a little lapel mic. It is on a short cable, about 3 feet. So I want to show you guys how well this works. The best way to do it is have two test subjects. So as you can see, I have one directly plugged in to the Sony a6500, another a6500 just using an onboard mic. And now Sony's going to tell us pretty much anything she wants. So I apologize if she says things that are confusing, arousing, we're sad, we're happy. Either way, take it away.
Ah, yes. Well, generally the things that I say are not too arousing, intentionally. Well, I am wearing a yellow shirt today. Yellow is my favorite color. I chose yellow as my favorite color in 4th grade because I felt bad for it, because everyone's favorite color was blue or red or pink, but nobody liked yellow. So now I have fully embraced my love of yellow, and it is for a myriad of other reasons, including it is bright, it is unique, and it just brings me joy. Yellow is fantastic.
Boom, there it is. Thank you, Sonia, for your wonderful audio notes. I always appreciate it. There you go, that is a Sony ECMCS3. Thank you. Hit subscribe, because I know I would. Sony, would you?
Absolutely, I'd be a fool not to.
Thank you. See you guys next time. Oh. Okay, good.
Good.
Closing statement, what do I say? What do I say? All right, there you go. Say thank you to Sonia. She is so wonderful. So take a look. I have no idea what this sounds like. The audio levels look good, and you guys will know. I don't know. I didn't like that. I didn't like that. Wonderful. Thank you, Sonia. So there it is. 2 audio samples, and it is mostly featured towards the Sony ECS. Fuck, I don't know what it's called. Damn it. Hold. So that is the Sony ECMCS3. Rolling.
Hello, I am here with Jason. Am I supposed to be talking? No, I'm not.
Just kind of wait.
Oh,
Just kind of wait.
Okay.
Hey everybody,